Hello students of class 9th, I am Prabha. In my previous video, part 6 of the story of village Palampur, I had explained about non-farm activities in Palampur. In this video, part 7 of the story of village Palampur, I am going to explain about farming activities, non-farming activities, cottage industry, small scale manufacturing, possibility of non-farm production activities in villages and how to promote non-farm production activities in villages. Now I am going to explain one by one. What is farming activity? Those activities which are related to growing crops or keeping animals by people for food and raw materials is called farming activities. Farming is a part of agriculture. The next topic is non-farm activity. Those activities which do not include farming as a source of income is called non-farming activity. These activities are as efficient as farming and provide livelihood to a large population in rural parts of the country. The next topic is cottage industry, a small scale decentralized manufacturing business which are operated by people in their own houses by using their own equipment is called cottage industry. The next is small scale manufacturing. In small scale manufacturing, production done by less number of people and less capital. Most of the work is done by manpower, small machine and tools. Raw material used in it is less and production is also low. These industries are not operated in people's own houses. The next topic is possibility of non-farm production activities in villages. At present, the non-farm sectors in the villages are not very large. Out of every 100 workers in the rural areas in India, only 24 are engaged in non-farm activities. Though there is a possibility of variety of non-farm activities in the villages, we have only seen a few examples and the number employed in each is quite small. The next topic is how to promote non-farm production activities in villages. Unlike farming, non-farm activities require little land. People with some amount of capital can set up non-farm activities. The ways by which non-farm production activities in villages can be promoted are as: the first is availability of loan at low interest rate. Loan should be available at low rate of interest so that even people without saving can start some non-farm activities. The next is market should be available in villages. Market should be available in villages where the goods and services produced can be sold. The next is construction of good road and transport facilities. Villages should have good roads and transport facilities as more villages get connected to town and cities. If all these facilities are available in villages, then the opportunities for non-farm production activities in the villages would increase in the coming years. Students, one important thing regarding increase of employment in rural areas, government should establish agro-based industries for increase of employment opportunities in villages. The government should support agro-based industries like rice mill, dal mill, sugar mill, etc. in semi-urban areas. And now, student, the chapter The Story of Village Palampur is finished. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment section of this channel. Please like, share and subscribe for latest updates. Thank you, students.